It does miracles for your hair. Apply aluminum foil and this mixture before washing your hair. There are many different hair products on the market today and they all promise to make your hair strong, thick and shiny. But if you experiment too much and you try different hair products, you will eventually damage your hair. We can also say that these hair products contain high amounts of harmful chemicals, which are really bad for your hair and scalp. So you should definitely try this homemade natural alternative, which is much better for your hair and much healthier. This homemade mixture is already used by many women in the world and you will be amazed by the results. It will make your hair thick, strong and healthy. All natural homemade hair remedy recipe. Here's what you need to do. First you need to squeeze 1 lemon, 1 grapefruit and 1 orange. Then get a banana and blend it well with 2 dl of milk. Add all ingredients in a blender and mix everything. How to use this mixture? You need to apply this mixture on your hair washed. Then you need to wrap it up with kitchen foil and leave it on for 30 minutes. After that you need to rinse your hair with warm water. This homemade mixture will nourish your hair, it will make it strong and thick and your hair will be super shiny. This homemade remedy is also very useful in removing dandruff and your hair will grow like crazy. You should definitely try this homemade remedy and you will be amazed by the results. And your hair will smell nice as well. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share.
This oil is great for thickening and regrowing hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Castor oil is both thick and sticky, so it is not everyone's favorite. Although it does miracles for skin complexion and hair structure, people tend to avoid it. But, if you seek for a cheap, all-natural solution to your skin and hair problems, castor oil should definitely be your top choice. In this article we will show you some great ways on how to use castor oil to improve thinning hair or treat scars. Moreover, you will learn a nice trick that will help you get shiny, soft and smooth lips. Why is castor oil great for you? The most popular use of castor oil is as a product for regrowing thin eyebrows and renewing eyelashes. If you were obsessed with plucking your brows in the 90s, you are probably looking for a trick that will help you recover your eyebrows. Well, you will no longer miss your real hairs or be forced to fill in your eyelashes with a pencil. Look for hexane-free, organic and cold-pressed castor oil, as it provides the best results in the treatment of thinning brows and hair. Apply it to your eyebrows after you clean your face, preferably before you go to bed. You should notice some brilliant results. Your brows will be considerably thicker and maybe even darker. In which way does castor oil stimulate hair growth? How can castor oil improve the quality of your hair, eyebrows or eyelashes? Its high content of linoleic acid provides strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also destroys fungi and bacteria that affect hair growth. Given that castor oil is super thick, it stops hair loss by just coating the hair and preventing any fallouts. Omega-9 fatty acids in castor oil nourish hair, follicles and skin. Castor oil has the ability to penetrate deeply, and thus reach pores and hair follicles. It is also a high gloss agent, which means it gives hair glossiness and shine. You only need a small amount. Instead of smearing it near the scalp, gently rub it in the ends of your hair to keep them calm. The handiest way to apply castor oil: just smear 2 drops of castor oil between your fingers, then run them through your ends. Keep in mind that you can easily end up with greasy hair instead of getting a subtle shine. Start off with a little less than you need to determine the right amount that works best for your hair. If your aim is to regrow hair, use castor oil in your scalp treatment. But, it may be impossible for you to thin it out with any lighter oil, such as room temperature coconut oil, apricot kernel oil or other easily spreadable type. If you need to thicken the hair at the edges of your hairline, apply a tiny amount of pure castor oil. You do not want to go heavy on that one, so be careful. Use a cotton swab to apply castor oil on your eyelashes to get them thicker and stronger. This will also prevent any thinning and shedding. Use castor oil to treat scar tissue and get smooth lips. Many have witnessed the positive effect of castor oil on keloid scars, probably due to the fact that it penetrates deeply into the skin. Due to its softening effect, castor oil can break down deep scar tissue and eventually smooth the scar. Moreover, castor oil is a promising stimulator of white blood cells. According to several studies, castor bean oil affects the inflammatory response in subcutaneous tissues. This is probably the reason why castor oil accelerates wound healing, and also reduces scarring. Smooth lips. Your lips need more care than other parts of the body. Even though they regenerate pretty quickly, your lips also dry out and peel. Fatty acids in castor oil not only smooth lips, but also protect them. Wonder why? Well, it is all due to its thick consistency, plus it will not come off without being wiped off. Castor oil gives lips natural shine, and you will sure love it. It is good to have your lips healthy and attractive, right?